Hello, dear Gemini. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Before we begin our reading for the month of December 2020, I request you all please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. So thank you so much for doing that, Gemini. Yeah, I have your cards here with me, and what I am seeing here is lot of Pentacles card this month, and that says that lot of money dealings going to happen this month, Gemini. I am seeing that you are. Let me begin with my first card, which is Three of Pentacles again. Yeah. So Three of Pentacles, and I have Six of Pentacles again. I have here the cards for your emotional, supporting your emotional life also, which are again talking about the earth energies. That is the Pentacles energy. That is the money energy, right? So a lot of money involved this month for you, Gemini. Now let's see what these cards are directing to us and what towards us. And the first card, Three of Pentacles, is saying me that you will be involved more into networking. This might have already started with you, and this networking is going to benefit you in your career friend, in your professional friend, Gemini. So do be open to this kind of networking, and also an upskilling is required, Gemini. Think about it. If you have not started upskilling yourself, or this is the time you see, because based on that you will be rewarded by the based on that you will be rewarded by your life. If you can upskill yourself, this is the very right time, and you will be also getting opportunities accordingly. So if you really want to grow and achieve better results in your with your in your career, then this is the time then where you should be focusing more on upskilling yourself, or gaining more knowledge, or learning something new also. Okay, Gemini. And this Magician card is there here, the reading again, which is says me that whatever is the situation, I mean whatever the opportunities that are going to come to you with this networking, with this upskilling or new skill development. Yeah, with these things you will be having a better time. You will be able to make good use of these opportunities. That's a wonderful thing, Gemini. Yeah. So it's giving you that power. Actually, the card here is giving you, the Magician card is giving you that power to perform you in a in a better way, to perform you, to make the most of the situation, make the most of these opportunities coming your way. So that's a wonderful energies for you, Gemini, this month. Yeah. And I have Six of Pentacles also again, which same thing, I mean, which again talks to me about the money matters, and it says that you will either be getting a new job. Oh yeah. Or um, yeah, if you're looking for some promotion also, new project also, so here is what you are going to get it. And it's like yeah, yeah, see, because I was just trying to connect with the card here, and then what I observed is this moment, I mean this time is what is like give and take time in your career. So to explain this, I would say whatever best you can do to your others, or the way that you can help to others, because I know Gemini by nature are more helpful people. So this card reminds you of your energy, of your nature, and says that even if you can do the smallest way, a smallest contribution, or a smallest difference to someone's life, yeah, please do it. And because based on that you will also be getting the same thing back. You will all in multiplied form. Yeah, so like giving 1 rupee and receiving back 10 rupees is what is I mean to say here. And receive this with gratitude again. You will see this happening, you will see these sort of incidents happening this month, Gemini. So if you are really no at the receiving end, definitely you see positive changes coming your way. Whatever is happening, receiving it with more gratitude, and this will definitely multiply, attract more good things into your life, Gemini. So don't forget to have that, to maintain that gratitude, to have that, to express that gratitude towards people, towards these energies, towards the universe also. Fine. So anything that you are receive, it's really an excellent way to attract more. If you are liking it, to attract more, say thank you to the universe, and yes, same thing follows again and again to you. Yeah, it's such a simple trick, I know, and it's very easy to learn also. So, Jipini, just check this out and do let me know in the comment section below how did you find this. Otherwise, yeah, I have your other cards with me here. Mm, with supporting your emotional reading also, and that says that you are going to do quite good in your relationships, but yes, there is sort of dependency happening here. There are some conflicts happening here, which is quite common again, but uncertain conflicts you might arise. They might arise if you are a married person, or if you are in a relationship. They might know they you might see some uncertain situations coming and disturbing your relationship here, but not really to worry. What it says that yes, be calm and be peaceful, and just don't react to every situation here happening here. And because I'm seeing another cards which are more favorable, six of earth, where you I'm seeing that yes, new career. Yeah, again this card again is, pentacles card, six of earth, which is bringing new career benefits also, and new relationship benefits also for you, dear Gemini. So this is very important here. So all the cards are like yeah, all the cards are more of a, some kind of benefit. They are talking to me, they are just pointing to me at some point of benefit. So I'm just actually very much, trying to pull out that information from these cards, what it the benefit it could be. uh, yeah, so let me see your energy card also. And oh, okay, so I have your energy card here. This is the action card. Okay, where you see two horses, fine, this white horse and black horse. So see this is the opportunity, this is your no, this is your action actually. Yeah, this is your wisdom, and this is what your action is. So yeah, black is for knowledge and this is for action. And sorry to repeat this again and again, what I'm trying to say here is there is a lack of coordination between your opportunities or the action and the knowledge that you have. Yeah, so definitely this card is indicating that you should have more confidence. You should also try to gather more knowledge about the situation, about the work that you are doing. So this is very important, Gemini, this moment. Because the action card indicates that you have now all the possibilities of running, I mean, of chasing your goal. You have now all the possibilities from the external world. But important thing is, no, it has to be from within. You need to have some more knowledge, some perseverance. Little bit is, lacking behind. So these things are what is lacking you behind because of your lack of knowledge on something. Yeah, and try to open up and develop your skills also. And then also the confidence is very important, which is I'm feeling that this is lacking here. So be more confident about your work. This can happen only when we are confident, when we have that enough knowledge when about subject, right, Gemini? So that is why I'm repeatedly suggesting you to improve your subject, to improve, to gain more knowledge, to learn new things, I mean, to upskill yourself also. So the and with these few changes, I can see you will be able to chase your dreams, you will be able to chase your goals very easily, Gemini. Yeah, so this is what I have here to tell you about. Of course, this all these cards, pentacles card, all these money cards are here saying me that you will definitely be rewarded with something this month. But be also careful with the investment. This is not the right month to go for the investment. Yeah, in fact, market is also not favorable. So don't even lend money to anyone immediately without assessing the person or without assessing the risk involved in it. So this be careful about these things, Gemini. Yeah. And okay, I'm also seeing that there are chances of again. The benefit is usually, you say, it's keeping you this benefit the month is bringing you, is giving you that stability, of course, yeah, financial stability in your life. So the insecurities which you had with money is what you see will reduce now. Okay, that's a wonderful energy. This is what was not clicking to me, and I'm seeing this cards or something. They want to tell me something which I'm not able to pick up easily. So this is what I feel here, as you know, this insecurities related to money matters is going to wipe off this month, and you will soon able to gain this stability towards it. So very important, Gemini. So this is when the stability happens, it opens you to wide opportunities, number of opportunities, where I'm also seeing that if you want to start something on your own, this may also happen. Yeah, so you will also be blessed with these kind of situations again, these kind of opportunities again, Gemini. So be open to these things, be receptive to these things again. Oh wow, I have your angelic guidance card, final card with me for this month. This is says perfect timing. Let me read this for you. This is such a wonderful message, Gemini. Here, now is the perfect moment for you to act on your inspirations. The doors are open while you walk through them with us by your side. Don't delay or procrastinate, as all of the ingredients are ripe for your success. Everything that everyone is on your side, and sorry, everything and everyone is on your side, supporting your positive outcome. Wow, this card is so sync with our previous, with all our other cards, where it says that this is the perfect time. Yeah, and the things are opening for you now. So yes, you will be exposed to some great beginnings, you will be exposed to some favorable beginnings of your life. And no the this is where no of course on the career front, of course on the emotional side, on your love life also. So the angels are here to say that don't delay anything further. This is the moment to take the right action. With the action card in our list, yes, start doing. Don't waste time. Don't procrastinate things, and just have confidence. Take the hold and start doing. Right. So this is what the angels are here to tell us, and expect positive outcomes. Such a lovely message in sync with all of our reading here. Uh, so that's what I have for you this month, Gemini. Okay, and by because this is the last month of the year, let's see again what the new year is going to bring. I will very soon come up with my new videos also for the coming year. Okay, I wish you then good luck for this month. Make good use of this energies coming your way, Gemini. Have a great day. Have a great month also. Yeah, bye. Take care.